Chicken teriyaki is a beloved dish in Japanese cuisine, renowned for its savory and sweet flavor profile that appeals to a wide range of palates. The magic of teriyaki lies in its glaze, a harmonious blend of soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and sake. It coats the chicken in a rich, glossy sauce. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed as a main course, served over steamed rice, or paired with vegetables for a balanced meal. Its simplicity and quick preparation make it an ideal choice for busy weeknights or casual gatherings. Additionally, the ingredients are readily available in most supermarkets, making it accessible for home cooks. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, chicken teriyaki offers a delightful and straightforward culinary experience that showcases the essence of Japanese comfort food. We have included a quick and easy recipe for chicken teriyaki in the description section below. Please check it out and subscribe to our channel.